Oh, I do see the lions.
Definitely feels like animal kingdom.
Oh, Tigger right down front.
I feel like those are
Oh, all of
original.
Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah. I feel like those are so original.
And I don't know if you can see it.
There's a hidden
Mickey.
It looks so cool. It
Yeah.
looks very like recycled ornaments, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh look, there's even like Turk and Rafiki,
Oh, yeah.
Simba. Oh, and they have more. There's like the zebra, elephant.
Oh, yeah.
I saw a giraffe way up at the top. Jumbo.
Jumbo is right. If you couldn't tell, we're at Animal Kingdom today.
Yay.
We haven't.
My favorite.
It is very much Shauna's favorite. She's got her favorite popcorn bucket,
Yep.
but we haven't. We haven't seen the holiday decorations here yet.
So of course we have to come here.
Yeah. We figured, what better way to spend the afternoon?
Yeah. It seems a little busy, but it is a weekend and it's the Christmas season.
Yeah.
So that's just.
Definitely the holiday crowds are here.
Oh yeah. That's okay.
But
Still fun.
let's check out how festive Animal Kingdom is.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some penguins out. All the animals are out right now. It's a little party over here. Aww. Oh, very cute. And then we got a little baby penguin. Oh, look at them all on top of the trading company.
Menagerie.
Yeah.
Look, cool one is.
Sounds like we're in a horror movie.
Yeah. I don't know what was going on there. And the garland. I want garland like that.
All right. Well, now that we have the house, you can get the garland. Looks very cute. Oh, what do we got over here? Some more? Are these the two turtle doves?
Looks like swan, but maybe
How many swans are swimming?
7,
7.
6. I don't know.
Yeah, 6 geese a lane, so 7 swans are swimming. Maybe there's 7.
That was so cute. They were having like a little jam session
Yeah.
there.
But we did make an executive decision. Our first stop today may come as a surprise to many of you. No, it's not Flight of Passage. No, we're not going to Everest. No, we're not going to Shauna's favorite ride.
Dinosaur.
We are going to Starbucks. So, stop 1 on our journey today.
We need a little energy.
Yeah, is going to be Starbucks.
Yeah. They even have the Starbucks decorated. Look at the pretty garden. I love it.
Yeah. All of this has to look fantastic at night.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if we'll make it that long, but we'll try.
Today's caffeine is sponsored by the Franklin. Thank
Cheers!
you.
Thank you. Okay, now we are heading towards Africa, Asia area.
It's Africa. We're walking over the bridge into Africa.
Oh yeah, okay.
Asia's over by.
Yeah, I thought we were walking towards Tusker House. My mistake.
Well, we are, but that's Africa.
I meant Yak and Yeti. Yeah,
Oh. So,
I'm all turned around. But let's see what they got for decorations over here in
ooh,
Africa.
I think I see some.
Ooh, coming right up.
Garland.
Ah. Hey, if you need garland back here,
I like it.
and some drummers. There's a party everywhere here in Animal Kingdom today.
Or even, I've seen it decked out.
how cool this tree
It's
is.
got like a propeller for a boat, some recycled wheels,
Yeah.
bottle cap.
Bike wheels. Oh, look at the elephant bottle cap.
Yeah.
Or bottle cap elephant.
I
Wow.
want this. Can we get this for our backyard?
Oh, you want this tree?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
a cool tree.
It is very cool.
The one of kind. It's gotta be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
yeah. The
weird.
wire garland.
That's
That's cool.
very clever. Very clever.
We are in one of the gift shops in the Animal Kingdom. Look how cute these caramel apples. Yeah.
Can I get you anything else today?
We may have to try one of these. Oh, they even have a peppermint one. Wow. These are making me hungry just looking at them.
Hey, buddy. What is your favorite flavor of
There's even more. Look at these giant cookies. Oh my gosh. This is a bottle cap giraffe wreath. Aw, look how cute that is. I wish I was that creative. Wow. Pretty impressive.
You didn't sleep on the couch.
And another one. There's another recycled wreath. It's even all Christmas colors. Look at that. So creative. People in our neighborhood might think I'm crazy if I start doing this, but I really like them. So, me and Michaela are watching for Brian on Everest. We decided to opt out this time. And it looks like they have a little gathering here to scare off the Yeti. It's pretty cool. I've never noticed this before. I'm not even sure I've ever been over here. Have you, Michaela?
No.
Huh.
I didn't even know you got this good of a view.
Me either.
I'm from God.
Hopefully we get to spot Brian. We're gonna watch him right there. I think Brian is on this train. He said he was in the second to last car. So let's see him. I see him waving. Here he is. There was Brian. That was quick. We'll see him at the exit. Here comes Brian. See if he had a good time. Oh. A little bit of a crowded area. How was it?
It was great.
Good.
I got to ride with my new friends.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Mikhail got a picture of you, and we got you on video. So,
Oh.
yeah.
And insert photo now. We made it over to Dino Land, and we can see some holiday decorations.
They're so cute.
Oh, we have a tree coming up over here. I feel like Dino Land is going to be decked out. Whoa!
I love it.
So we got a tree over here. Look at the dinosaurs rocking out up there.
Finn would love this.
Yeah. Look at those dinosaurs rocking out up there.
That's so cool.
Yeah. They got their own little jazz band. Oh, Donald's over here meeting. Oh, wow. Look at over here, the water tower. That's pretty cool.
It's not even dark and that thing is bright.
Yeah, look at that thing. Wow. And then if we go right here, we got some more. Let's see who it is. We got the dinosaur with the lights. Oh, here's Daisy. Yeah. Wow. That's super cute.
It is. Wow, they did a great job here.
Yeah. Let's go see what else we can find. Look at this.
Mammoth snowman. Get it? Mammoth.
Oh, we got a comedian. That thing is huge. Stand up next to him. The boneyard is to Pluto. Pluto got a bone. And then, if we look over here, exiting Dino Land, look at the dinosaur lights.
Twinkly they are.
That's super cool.
That kind of looks really cool. I know.
Yeah. Oh, and he's got a hat on. We got to see it from the other side.
Yeah.
Then we can see the hat. All right, we're going to go into the bridge and turn around. We'll duck over to the side.
Oh, it has a beard.
Oh, it's a whole Santa. How cool is that? That's awesome. And he's just here twinkling.
Hands up, everybody, hands down. Hands up, hands down, everybody, hands up.
They just can't help themselves.
Hands up, everybody, hands down. All right, you're gonna put one hand in the air. You're gonna go from the left to right, left side.
Oh, Flame Tree Barbecue smells amazing right now. Oh, get it! How do you enter Epcot?
Duh, aren't I the best dancer you've ever seen?
You have the moves like Jagger.
Oh, I know it.
So, we did the whole loop. Now the only place we gotta check out last is Pandora.
I wonder what's over here. The RDA? Is that the bad people? Is the RDA the good people or the bad people?
I think they're the bad people
I think
because
they
they're
are.
the ones that are
So do you think
like
the Na'vi?
drilling. The
Do you
Na'vi
think
are
the
the good.
Na'vi decorate or
Oh.
the RDA decorate?
I don't know. Do Na'vi even celebrate the holidays? Do they even know what the holidays are?
I mean, I would hope the people that went to Pandora
Oh, yeah, that's a valid point.
spreaded their joy.
Spreaded
of
the cheer.
The Christmas holiday. So I guess we'll see. Is it the RDA or is it the
I don't know. Let's
the
find out.
Na'vi? Found the Christmas decorations in Pandora. The non-technical term, the robot thingy that they use to walk around with the Na'vi people is dressed like Santa Claus. And then he has Christmas lights. I love it. And it looks like they recycled material from the land. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's very cool. So cool. They also have some garland up too. It's very unique. I like it. They did a good job. I can't really compare because I only saw a few decorations in Magic Kingdom, so I don't really have much to compare to, but I do like the decorations at Animal Kingdom so far. They did a great job.
Now the real mission. Let's see if we can find a friend on Pandora.
Ooh.
Fingers
I
crossed.
hope we can.
Hopefully.
I don't know where he's working, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
Well, fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
I feel like we might have some good luck though.
I think so.
And after we got off flight, it's dark. So now we can see everything at night. It looks really pretty. Look how pretty it is at night. Yeah.
Bright, but they're not too bright.
I like the animal lights.
Oh, the menagerie?
Yeah.
I know. They almost look like real lanterns.
I know. Those are really cool. The garland is really pretty. Okay.
I'll meet you right around here.
Well, now that we have a house, you can. Oh, here's some more Swans are swimming. It looks fantastic here. I'm waiting for an opening so I can turn around and we can see the tree. Alright. Oh, it's snowing on the tree. How cute. That's cool. I love that. Well, it is. Yeah, it is definitely festive here at Animal Kingdom for the holidays. And the tree at the entrance is all lit up too. I think it's changing color.
It is. The like main stars of the stars.
Oh, I didn't even notice the star changing.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
I love it.
It looks even better at night.
Oh yeah.
I'm so glad we stayed here till it was dark.
I know. Animal Kingdom is definitely decked out for the holidays.
Yes, they are ready.
And the good news, we did find a friend on Pandora.
We did.
So,
That was awesome.
I'm sure he'll be popping up here and there.
Yeah.
But I think that'll do it for our holiday hunt here at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know what park's up next, but another park holiday decor coming your way.
See you on the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.